this scene, my name is Ngọc. Charlie likes to go for long walks. He often goes to the mountain or the countryside near his home to take pictures of the plants and the animals that he sees. He loves his camera because it was a birthday present from his favorite uncle. Last weekend, Charlie wanted to go to the forest to take some pictures of birds. In the afternoon, Charlie put his camera in his bag. He took some ham and cheese sandwiches for his lunch. Charlie walked in the forest and looked at the trees. He saw a beautiful yellow bird. Carefully, Charlie took his camera out of his bag and took a great picture. Then Charlie came to a place in the forest that he didn't know. He was afraid. Are there birds in the forest? Are there birds in the forest? He thought. Charlie listening. There were a wonderful near him. He climbed a tree and looked around. He saw the wonderful and he smiled as he knew where he was. He walked back to his house. Thank you for listening.